For over a year, the coronavirus has been affecting those all over the world, damaging many economies and the cause of many casualties. This week, New York, Michigan, Florida, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey single-handedly account for 44% of the coronavirus deaths. With approximately 198,000 COVID-19 cases over the past 7 days, there were about 453,000 new cases in the country. Worldwide, the coronavirus has claimed over 2.87 million lives, the United States leading in casualties with over 555,000 deaths, and Brazil following with 337,000 deaths. President Joe Biden hopes that all states will open up their regulations for all adults to be eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine by April 19th. Slowly, economies are coming up from the recession from COVID-19 until a 200,000-ton mega container carrier got stuck in the Suez Canal, blocking international trade at a value of $9 billion a day. 422 vessels were trapped carrying goods between countries, leaving shelves unstocked and a crude oil shortage and slow delivery of packages and livestock. Over 6 days, the carriers were able to be removed. In a weekly wrap-up, I'm going to rapid fire off some news. The United States has ruled out the use of a coronavirus vaccine passport, and Arkansas becomes the first state to ban transgender youth treatment. Brazil daily COVID deaths surpassed 4,000 the first time, and in Europe, archaeologists discover a 4,000-year-old slab that is actually the oldest 3D map of Europe. This is Kadann Bonecutter here with your weekly world news.
Hey, what's up, everyone? My name's Coach Greathouse. I'm here with Maddie Towner and a list of mullets. I'm going to make my choice here for the best one, but I'm going to go through real quick and critique each one. Now, category A here looks as if he just rolled out of bed. Looks a little rat's nesty. I know that's not really a word, but I'm going there.
No, rat nest. Yeah.
Well, rat nesty.
You get the point across.
Okay. Here, a little too curly. I don't like it looks like it has a little bounce to it. I'm not a fan of that. Okay, I'm not a fan of that. In B, but D here, if you look, I'm going down. Looks like it's wet. I don't like the wet look. That's not a good look to have. But I will tell you, I'm not going to comment on these other ones because I know I'm on a timeline here. If we're going true mullet, and you know, I'm just telling you, I grew up in the years of the mullet. My father had one, rocked it for years, and you guys are going to disagree with me, and I'm wholeheartedly fine with that. But I'm going with F here. All right, F is the epitome of what a mullet should be. If I'm looking at mullets, I'm going with category F. Okay, so
You have it here, folks. Mr. Greathouse's favorite is F.
category F.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, I'm Maddie Towner here with Mr. Bartlett, and he's going to say his favorite mullet.
This is going to be really hard because I really don't like mullets. I have a saying, friends don't let friends date guys with mullets. And friends don't let friends get mullets. Words to live by. All of these look atrocious. And they're breaking my achy breaky heart. Let's see. Which one's the least atrocious? I give points though if they have a perm. That makes it look better.
I think these are natural curls.
Natural curls. Oh, that's nice. Oh God. I think the least horrendous one with the most forgiving. Oh God. This is so difficult because I hate them all. The winner gets a shave. D.
D?
D.
You have it here. Mr. Bartlett thinks D is his favorite one.
Sure.
Thank you. I'm Maddie Towner here with Ethan Kincaid and Addy Cottrell, and they're going to pick their favorite mullet.
Oh man, I'm gonna go with this one. It gives me ocean vibes and it's kind of matted, so it just makes it gives it some spice.
That's probably the least uncomfortable. That one may be the most uncomfortable.
This one looks crunchy.
Yeah.
I don't know. This one is too.
No.
I'm getting like ramen vibes. I don't know.
Yeah.
This one gives me like, I feel like his name's Bill, but I know it's not. But like, it gives me like, I don't know, like a soft long, and then, yeah, they're pretty bad, but I'd have to go that one.
What one is that one?
I would not go
G.
this route
G?
with your hair.
Ethan, what about you? What's your favorite?
C's the least uncomfortable, so I'll just stick with that.
Okay, thank you both.
You're welcome.
Hi, I'm here with Miss Maudie, and she's going to pick her favorite mullet.
Just look for the camera. I would say the neatest one would probably be B.
B?
Yeah. Yeah, B.
Okay, thank you. Hi, I'm here with Adam Williams, and he's going to pick his favorite mullet.
I go like D.
D?
D.
That's your final decision?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Trinity Trimore, and she's going to pick her favorite mullet. D. Hi, I'm here with Corey Wheeler and Gracie Queen, and they're going to pick their favorite mullet.
I would have to go with D because the perm and the long, it's so long, it's just my favorite. So.
I mean, none of them look too good, but I'll go with A.
Well, thank you both. Hi, I'm here with Mr. Tinch, and he is going to pick his favorite mullet.
Now, I'm not a mullet fan per se. I had the long hair back in the day, evenly long. So all these are pretty awful in the realm of things. But I mean, there's some good mullets. I mean, as far as an awful haircut goes. This is a tough call. It's probably B. That's probably B is the one I'm going to pick as my. I would rate. Now they're all tremendously awful, but
As mullets
B
are.
as mullets are designed to be, and they're aware of that. So I'd say B is the best looking bad haircut.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, welcome to Cooking with Addy. I'm your host, Addy. So today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy snack. So I have a bell pepper and cream cheese. First thing I'm going to do is cut my bell pepper. So get all the seeds out of there because nobody likes a seedy pepper. So I'm just going to cut it in half like this. So now I have 2 little boats for your cream cheese. So now take your cream cheese, open it. Might need some assistance opening it actually. Okay. So now you have your cream cheese. You're just going to take your knife that you have here with you, and you're just going to spread it on the bell pepper like this. Like so. Okay, now I'm gonna have my taste testers come in and try it and get their review. So we have Nathan and Dylan here to try the healthy snack. Do you not like it?
Well,
This is not bad, but could use a little bit more cream cheese.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you. And that concludes this segment of Cooking with Addy.
Fun fact, McDonald's once made bubblegum with flavored broccoli.